ZTE launched the new smartphone ZTE Blade A6 Max, which is characterized by an affordable price with features that make it stand out as the battery of 4,000 mAh on a 5.5-inch screen. This equipment is a good option if you are looking for a low-end equipment but with a mid-range feel, and it is also compatible with features such as VoLTE, which were not previously available in this type of equipment. This improves the quality of calls in HD, and decreases the use of the battery when making voice calls. The Blade A6 Max offers a rear camera of 13MP with autofocus and flash and 5MP front camera with flash. Inside, the power is acquired by quad-core 1.1 GHz processor Qualcomm Snapdragon with 4 cores at 1.1 GHz, which improves the speed of the smartphone, allowing to develop several tasks simultaneously. The ROM is 8 GB expandable up to 128 GB with microSD. Use as Android 7.1.2 operating system, and connectivity is compatible with 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. It weighs 162 grams and measures 152 x 75.8 x 8.3 mm. The new Blade A6 Max is available in 3 different color versions: black, blue and gold,